Hi, I'm Jack Hartman. Sing along and let's learn the 26 letters of the alphabet and their sounds. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for egg. Egg. F is for fish. Fish. G is for goat. Goat. H is for hat. Hat. The alphabet, A to Z. The alphabet will help me do my best. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jelly. Jelly. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lamb. Lamb. M is for mouse. Mouse. N is for nest. Nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for pumpkin. Pumpkin. The alphabet, A to Z. The alphabet will help me do my best. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for wagon. Wagon. X like in fox. Fox. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zipper. Zipper. The alphabet, A to Z. The alphabet will help me do my best. The alphabet, A to Z. The alphabet will help me do my best. Sing and learn with me. Be sure to subscribe and press the like button below. It's easy and free. And want to have more fun learning with me? Search for these fun videos or check out my website, jackhartman.com.